One day, a cute cat is preparing to surprise her mother for her birthday in the upcoming weeks. So in preparation, she rode her bike going into the city and went to the flower shop to buy seeds and started to plant them just in time for them to grow on her mother's birthday. On the day of her mother's birthday, the seeds eventually grew into beautiful violet flowers, her mother's favorite flower. Before her mother arrives, she dutifully baked a birthday cake, which was her mom's favorite vanilla-flavored cake. Her mom eventually arrives to the surprise and everyone had an amazing time.